having trouble with audio or video calls on X? If calls won't connect, there is no sound, the camera isn't working, or calling features are unavailable, in this video I will show you how to fix audio and video calling on X app. First thing you have to do is to go to X app. Then here in this page you will move to the sign on above and you will click here. Then we'll go to settings and support. After that you will move to settings and privacy. Then here in this page of settings and privacy we'll move to privacy and safety here. Then you will go to chats, you will click here, and after that in this page of chats you will find enable audio and video calling. You will tap here to fix this problem of audio and video calling. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to